Hello, this is Mike Johnson, taking you on an inside and outside video tour of this 2014 Toyota Prius Plug-in. Very nice car, clean car, good condition, has 128,000 miles on it, but it's really nice, drives really good. We just got this one in. It was already practically detailed, that we cleaned it up anyways, and it's really nice, and it qualifies for California Carpool stickers, the full sticker, no restrictions. That means you can buy the car, apply for carpool stickers, and whether you make $1,000 a month, $1,000 a year, or $1 million a year, doesn't matter. There's no income restriction because this car is from Arizona. It's never been registered as a California carpool vehicle, so it's off the hook for the $70,000 income restriction for the green carpool sticker program. So what you got to understand about the carpool stickers, and I'm going to flash an orange carpool sticker on the screen here. The orange carpool stickers can only go to cars that have never had carpool stickers before, and those are valid till 2024. And if you can qualify for the orange carpool stickers, you can also qualify for the new, coming out, not out yet, blue carpool stickers that are valid until 2025. Those stickers won't be issued until next year, starting in January. Depends when you apply for them, but if you wait until December and apply for them and get your sticker in January, you'll get the new 2025 stickers. I believe they're blue color, kind of like the little registration blue tabs on the license plates. Anyways, carpool stickers, good for up to 4 full years. So if you get it in January, it's good for basically full years until 2025. Or orange stickers, no restrictions. What you have to understand, here's another little chart. Orange stickers expire 2024, purple stickers expire in 2023, red stickers expire in 2022. So if you buy a car that already has the red carpool stickers, you only have a year left to use them, and then you're kicked out of the carpool lane. But if you buy this car, you get, it's a kind of an allocation, a once in a lifetime per vehicle. The only way to get carpool stickers again, as of right now, is if you buy a car that already had the green stickers and you made less than $70,000 a year, then yeah, you can get the new orange stickers. It's very complicated. The state of California doesn't know how to do things simple, so that's how they do it here anyways. Enough about that. About the car, it's a clean car, charcoal gray, they call it winter gray metallic. It's a nice car. I've been driving it around for a couple days. It drives really good. We're going to take a look inside. Let's take a peek at the VIN number here. So the last 3 digits of the VIN number are 210, and the car was built in March of 2014. So it's a mid-year 2014. And they drove it a lot. It's 128,000 miles, but in Arizona, where this car was from, everything's spread out all over the place. It has navigation. Navigation works like an app on the radio here. One thing we did have to tell you is this car is really nice and clean. It's cloth interior, but it has heated seats. Look at your seats, are all nice and clean. There's not fingerprints and stuff all over. So this is a Prius plug-in, brand new. You would have expected to pay about $36,000 to buy one brand new from the dealership, including tax, license, and registration. These are not your cheapest Prius. They're kind of expensive. I have a lot of criticism from people calling me on the phone and says, why are the Prius so expensive? Why aren't we selling them for $3,000? These are expensive cars, new. They cost $36,000 to buy, and from $36,000 they've been coming down steadily but slowly in price, because the resale value of Toyotas is very strong, because the reliabilities of Toyotas are very strong. I see Toyota New York City taxi cabs for sale. They're 2012 models right now, 2013s, with 300,000 miles on them. And they're still, those cars with 330,000 miles on them are selling for $3,500. Those aren't even the plug-ins. This is the plug-in. These cars, this might be the next Volkswagen Bug, where people will fix these cars up and keep them running for years after year after year. They're very well made, and if you take nice care of them, they hold up pretty good. So as we're looking through the inside, you know, it's nice. Current odometer reading is 128,319 miles. So if you're going for 350,000 miles, you still got 200,000 miles left before you get to 330,000 miles. So that means maybe the car's only 30%, a third used. You have 2/3 left, if it will last that long, like those New York City taxis. I can't make any claim of how long the cars will make because it is a used car, but it does have warranty from Toyota. The Toyota warranty is valid up to 15 years or 150,000 miles. And Toyota is required in California to honor the 15-year, 150,000 mile warranty because of state law regarding these plug-in hybrid super low emission vehicles. Let's go look under the hood. You know, there's another reason to buy this car, is the great gas mileage. A regular Prius, the cheap ones, you know, that cost new like $20,000, will get 50 miles per gallon. And this is almost the same as those, except this is a plug-in hybrid. Let me show you a little picture of the cord that plugs in. Or even better yet, I'll go in the trunk and we'll look at it. Under hood, it's nice and clean. This is not from a snow state. So on the left side of the car, there's a little gas button right here. You push and you add gas to the car. This car takes about 9 gallons of gas when you fill it up. You put the gas, it probably holds 10 gallons, but you fill it up about 9 gallons. So let's say you're driving with 10 gallons of gas, to use a round number. 10 gallons times 50 is 500 miles on a tank of gas. This car will drive, getting 50 miles per gallon. But even better, on the right side is a plug. It comes with a little charging cord, plugs into a regular outlet. You plug this in to the car, okay? You plug the car in when you come home at the end of your driving day. It takes only 3 hours to charge the battery to full, the plug-in battery. And then the next day, the first 10, I will call it 11 miles. It's good for a reliable 11 miles of pure electric driving. 11 times 365 days in the year, 4,000 miles of driving. So if you drive 12,000 miles, 1/3 of your driving during the year uses no gas. So your gas mileage, that 50 miles per gallon we just talked about, that goes up to maybe 75. Now instead of going 500 miles on 10 gallons, now you're going 750 miles on 10 gallons. 750 miles in, so you got to buy about every 700 miles, you got to buy gas and fill up the tank with 9 gallons. That's approximate numbers if you plug it in every night. Now let's say you live in an apartment and your landlord says, we don't want you plugging it in, or a condominium and there's no place to plug it in. You don't have to plug it in. Plugging it in on the electricity is, you want to, but you don't have to. Some of the cars that I'm getting these cars in with 100,000 miles and the plugs are still wrapped in plastic. The owners never plugged them in, not even once. Maybe they got gas paid for by their bosses, so they didn't care about plugging it in. But it's kind of nice not to have to go to a gas station once every 750 miles, or even, you could even do better than that. You might go 800 miles between visit to a gas station. It's pretty cool. That's what you can do with a plug-in hybrid. Or you can jump in and you can drive nonstop from California to Washington, D.C., stopping only for gas, go in a protest or celebration, depending on your mood or what you're thinking. And then you cross country, come back. You don't have to charge it. You just buy gas, just like a regular car. Just like a 1971 Chevy SS or a Dodge Hemi. Same thing, it just runs on gasoline. And it only takes the regular gasoline. Another advantage of this car, it is a hatchback. So the back seat, we just popped up the headrest. Fold the seat down, pop up the headrest, fold the seat down, take this little bar out. Now we can put a filing cabinet in here. We're ready to go move from one apartment to another. You can put your kitchen chairs in there. It's a lot of cargo room. Compare this to a Ford Fusion plug-in. Got a lot of room back here. It's very nice. And then when you're ready to go cover your belongings back up, you put this back in, fold your seats back, carry your passengers. Say you want to drive Uber. It has 5 seats in this version of Toyota Prius plug-in, so you can actually drive it as an Uber driver. You have to check with Uber's rules, but with 5 seats in the vehicle, you should be able to drive for Uber. Make extra money. I've had a lot of requests from Uber drivers for these cars. That's one of the reasons why these cars are getting so expensive. Everybody wants them. People say, "You crazy dealers, you're charging too much money, you're jacking up the price," is what we're hearing on the phone. But we're not. In order to buy these cars, we have to pay what it takes to get the car, or we have no car. That's the realistic situation. Anyways, there's another reason to buy the car. I participate in the Replace Your Ride program. So let's peek at the tires as we talk about it. The Replace Your Ride program is a government program that'll pay up to $9,500 for you to trade in. It's a cash for clunkers program. Trade in your old clunker, whether it's a 1981 Ford Escort worth $300 or something newer. It doesn't matter. Just has to be 2012 or older. You trade that old vehicle in, and by applying to the Replace Your Ride program, and for that old $300 vehicle, they'll give you $9,500 credit for turning it in to be wrecked, or up to $9,500 credit, not depending on its value, but depending on your zip code and income level from your tax return. So go to replaceyourride.com and see if you can qualify for that program. If you can, the government will pay $9,500 of the cost, or up to help you buy the car, like this one, or whatever I have in stock. And once you get it home and you park it in your driveway and it's registered to you, the power companies are offering another reason to buy it. The LA Department of Water Power, I'm told, is offering a $1,500 cash rebate. So if your home energy provider is LADWP, they'll probably send you a check for $1,500 if you apply for it, and it'll probably take about 3 months. But if you don't have LADWP at home, maybe you have Southern California Edison for your home power company. If you do, they're offering a $1,000 rebate. So once you've already gotten your $9,500 paid by the government, then you can get another $1,000 or another $1,500 depending on your power company. Check with your local power company, whoever that may be, and see what kind of EV, electric vehicle rebate programs they're offering in case you're eligible. And these programs are retroactive, so even if you bought one of these cars back in 2017 or 2018, you may be eligible for a cash rebate. I'm told if it's before 2019, it's $450 with Edison. So see if you can go get a free $450 just for watching my video. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up, keep it short. My name is Mike Johnson. 951-681-2101 is the phone number to call me to see if I have one of these vehicles available. Go on my website, mybestcar.com, see if this car's available or one like it, and then we'll go from there. Thank you for watching.